Hola, hola, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look for you guys. It's super easy. The only shadow that I used was the yellow and then the eyeliner and then the bold lipstick. That's it, guys. It's super easy. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so I already went in and did my face. I concealed my face also, and I went in and did my brow already. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this brow and then we'll get started with the look. So I'm not going to outline the eyebrow or anything. I'm just going to comb it up. I don't want them really dramatic today, just because I'm doing kind of like a simple look, and I'm just going to do my lips really bold today. Then I'm going to go in with the 24-hour brow gel from Inglot Cosmetics, and I'm just going to comb the little hairs upwards. I want this brow really feathered-like. So I didn't add any pencil product or any cream product, but that's because I already have full brows. But if you guys have brows that really don't have a lot of hair, you guys can always just fill them in just a little bit. Okay, so with my BH Cosmetics concealer brush, as always, the number B7, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my brow. So I found out that if you highlight your brow little by little, it's going to come out more cleaner. It's going to give you that more defined shape that you're looking for, instead of you just going in and then just drawing it out. I'm just taking off all the extra concealer that I have, just because this concealer is really sticky. Okay, so the palette that we're going to be using today, of course, like always on my other videos that I've been posting lately, I've been using my favorite palette from BH Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil. And you guys, today it's going to be really simple but yet bold and bright. So the only color, we're only going to use one color, but the only color that we're going to use today is going to be this bright yellow. That's the only color that we're going to add on to the lid. I never really go ahead and do my foundation and highlight first, just because I always like to have that lid space to work with. But since today I'm just going to use that only shade and I'm not really going to work hard, so you really don't have to be careful on how you place it, just because this color is going all over the lid, so it doesn't even matter. You guys, I'm not kidding, this palette está bien pigmented. That's why I love it. Now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and do my wing liner. And the eyeliner that I'm going to use today is from the Inglot Cosmetics, and it looks like this. And you guys, at first it looks a little silky, but once it dries out on your lid, it looks super matte. So if you guys really like matte eyeliners, this one I would highly recommend. It's really, really good. With the eyeliner, don't even think about it. Just go in and draw the line, because if you think about it, you're going to mess it up. You can go as far as you wish, but I love my eyeliner really dramatic, so I'm going to go ahead and draw it really dramatic. I'm not gonna lie, that was intense. It's just hard for me right now because I don't have a brush specifically for eyeliner. Okay, that was so intense. Okay, now with my Hoola bronzer, I'm just gonna bronze. So I want my cheekbone more defined, so I'm gonna go ahead and just bake right there. Oh my god, it looks like I have a freaking white beard. Oh my god. Okay, so while I bake for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. The lashes I'm using today are the ones that I received in the mail and don't know the name of them. These are my last pair. And they're casi overworn. Okay, I don't want to bake for too long. Do you guys see how snatched that looks? If you guys haven't tried it, you guys should try it. I promise you, it'll leave you like a skinny face. Like, you can always add some black eyeliner at the bottom, but I'm not gonna add any. I'm just gonna add some of that yellow shadow. And then on top of it, I'm gonna go ahead and add some highlighter, the Artist Couture one, in the shade Illuminati. So I'm not gonna add any blush today, and I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter again, the liquid one. Okay, so for this look, you guys can really combine it with any color that you guys want. You guys can always go with the nude, a maroon, or even a purple. So even the nude one looks really pretty, as you guys can see, but since you guys already know, I freaking love bold, so I'm gonna go in with the purple. Okay, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said, this is a super easy look. I just used one shadow to achieve this look and a bright bold lipstick. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.